Hey Eric, it's Bernie from Be Present Digital Marketing. You spoke to my associate Elizabeth today. In this quick video, we're going to show you 3 things which you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. So David, you may be asking, why are we making you this video? Well, in our research, we found a lot of small business owners such as yourself are too busy dealing with their customers and employees that they just don't know how to make the internet work for them to bring in more customers. We feel that the only thing that's stopping them from hiring someone to help is that they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we put together these attack plans and we basically give them away for free. Now, some people take these plans, implement them themselves. Some people call us back. Whatever you decide to do is all good with us. After the video, all I ask is that if you want to chat, feel free to give me a call. So the first thing we're going to talk about, well, the 3 things we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is any words on your website. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage, depending on the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything someone may type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Now, keywords should be placed throughout your website page within the content, telling Google exactly the terms that you want to be ranked for. So for example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to have words on your site like plumber, Oceanside, leaks, flooding. That tells Google, who then tells the end user that your website exists. So if I take a look at your page here, we can scroll down. You have your logo here. You have some stuff, some roof, contact us. Not a whole lot of content on your page at this point. So you really want to do is optimize that. I took the liberty to put your highlight all the words on your website and put it in a counter. So right now you have about 125 words. If I look at the second competitor, organically searching, RKI, we look at their page. They have a lot of pictures. But I did the same thing. I took their count of words. They have about 634 words. And your next competitor is CNC Roofing. Look at their page. Yeah, so they have a fair amount of content, not that much. 652 words on their page. So the first thing we want to do is we want to optimize this page. We want to get as many relevant search engine content words on your website as possible, so we can begin to outrank these guys. The more words that you have on your page, the more you're going to be able to embed key phrases like roof installation, roof repair, roof leaks, words like that. So those are very important for ranking in terms of Google. The next thing we're going to talk about is something that's called a backlink. And a backlink is anywhere you find a website linking back to another via a clickable hyperlink. Now, these links act as an endorsement of your website for other users, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other businesses vouch for your business. So, Eric, the internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks is going to win. Now, not every backlink is created equal. So you want to be careful with that. So for example, obviously you're a roofer, but you don't want to go out and get a backlink from like Pizza Hut or Domino's, because that's just not relevant to your business, what you do. And so I use a paid tool. It's called Ahrefs, and I check backlinks and on websites. So we can see here that this is your website. Right now you have one backlink with one referring domain, which means that there's one domain referring 4 times back to your website. So we want to get that number up. And if I look at your competitor's website, they have 443 backlinks and 40 referring domains, which means that there are 40 websites referring back to them 443 times. The next competitor I look at, they have 2,100 backlinks with 141 referring domains pointing back to them. So the bottom line is that because this company has the most backlinks, they're starting to rank organically. And what I mean by ranking organically is that I put a search in called Roof Repair Montgomery County. Obviously, these guys are where the ads are. This is the map pack, which we'll talk about in a minute. But this is where the organic search engine is. And you can see here that CNC is ranked number 1 organically, and KDI is ranked number 2 organically. If we can get more backlinks than these guys and take up this spot, we're going to get about 70% of the clicks that come through on this first page of Google organically. So that's very important. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is going to talk about a citation. And a citation is anywhere that your name, address, phone number shows up in a directory exactly as it is on your My Business Google profile. So that's this area right here. Now, citations help you to rank in Google Map Pack, which is this area right here, which is extremely important for local businesses like yourself, since it generates a huge amount of revenue just to be on the first page here. The more citations you have, the more your name, address, and phone number shows up in the directories, the higher you are going to be up in this map pack right here. Some of the citations you can go out and get are directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau. Social media pages are great, but there are hundreds and thousands of more directories that you can go out and get. So, for example, Apex Roofing Exterior, if they have 20 citations, you want to go out and get 40 citations. If these guys have 40 citations, you want to go out and get 50 citations. And citations are just putting your name, address, and phone number in more directories than anyone else out there. And just to give you another example of these guys are, they have about 66 reviews, 4.9. If I go in here and type and dig down, I can see that these guys have 349 reviews. And you may say to yourself, hey, why aren't they on the first page of Google? I can get these guys 81 reviews, much more, 5-star reviews. And why aren't they on them? Because they don't have as many citations as the guys on the first page. This is the difference between this being on the first page and being on the back page. So, in summary, what we talk about getting more content on your page, relevant content to exactly what you do. That way you can put more keywords on your website. We talked about backlinking. We talked about getting other companies referring back their company back to your company via clickable hyperlink. These companies could be plumbers. They could be HVAC companies. They could be electricians. They can be your local hardware store. If they have a website and you can get a link on there referring you back to them, that's going to build you up. And then we also talked about citations. Citations are very important. Putting your name, phone number, and address in more directories than your competitors is what's going to help you rank organically in the My Business search. So I want to say thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video was helpful. You can do one of two things right now. You can implement this plan on your own. That's totally fine with us. Or you can say, hey, Bernie, you know what? I'd like to hear some more. Can we sit down and chat? We're more than happy to help you out here. My number's at the bottom. All I ask is that you do just give me some feedback on the video. Listen, Eric, thanks for listening, and you have a great day.